Hey, I'm Mr. Regan.
And I'm Mr. Malore.
Welcome to Green Building Trades.
Green Building Trades prepares students with the background knowledge and the skill sets recognizing professionals in the fields of carpentry, plumbing, electrical, and masonry. Hands-on projects reinforce classroom theory and help students acquire the problem-solving skills and technical expertise required for working and involving in the field. The Green Building Trades program incorporates the latest sustainability practices in general contracting, including carpentry, electrical construction, plumbing, and masonry. This program provides students with the opportunities to work with the latest technology and take residential construction courses accredited by the Home Builders Institute and National Association of Home Builders. During the course of this 4-year program, students will be certified in multiple industries to prepare them for the post-secondary opportunities, including advanced entry into the skilled trades career, certifications, competitions, and assessments in OSHA, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, HBI, the Home Builders Institute certification, SB2, Safety and Pollution Prevention Training certification, Skills USA, the state and national competitions, the NOCTI, which is the National Occupational Competency Testing Institute, and CTEC, industry recognized certifications.